All right. It's time to do some late night coding. I streamed earlier from like 5 p.m. to 7. Then I did some streaming on Twitch. Unknown Racer X. I play Hunt Showdown. But anyway, now I am about ready to write some code. And what are we trying to build here? An empire. An empire of knowledge. So what are we doing? How are we doing that? With this application called Collector. There we go. All right. I just need to set a few things up and we'll be ready to go. So what am I trying to do now? Well, let me just show you what I work with. This is some other software I've been working on called Can Do. And this is basically Kanban software, right? And this is my Kanban board for the Collector project. So it's just a list of lists. And I think I do have a pop-up modal. So I'm gonna just scratch that out. Domains management. I think there are other things I want to do, but I'm going to say that's done and cross off some things here. Yep. Analyze the rules. A list of articles associated. No. You know what I will do though? I think I will set it up so that, let me see here. Like, I'll set it up so that I can click on like a tab that says articles. Yeah, this one, articles. So I click articles here and it's just a search form. I click search and it'll take me to the articles page and it'll have a question mark with domain ID equals and whatever domain I want to search. So that means now I have to set up my stored procedure for articles. Get list. And I need domain ID as an option. So let's just do domain ID there, and then let's see. From articles, where? There we go. We'll just copy this code and just do domain ID. Let's see if this is accurate. Looks good. All right. Now we need to pass domain ID through our data access layer for articles. Where is get list? Interesting. This is gonna be. Let's just put it there. And then domain ID. Let's see where we use this function. It's only one place. And so we have to include domain ID. This is our web API. So we just changed the data access layer, the store procedure, and now the web API. No, this is actually just the business logic layer. Okay, let's press stop here. Add domain ID here. And I think I wanna make the search results look better, right? They should have like, I don't know, description. Do I store description? That would take a lot of space in the database. So I don't know if I want to store description, but maybe I should. Let's look at our schema. Let's see. We have summary. Okay. Are we utilizing summary? What? Is not null. There we go. All right, let's see what these summaries look like. Okay. Weird. Dot dot dot. How am I getting my summary? Let's figure that out real quick. I think let's see here. All right, article information. There we go. Okay, article info from Dom. Right. So we're getting the title. We're looking for the very first H1 tag or whatever tag. Order by tag name, so it'll order by H1 goes first. And then you get the title from the header tag. Try getting title from URL path. All right, get page description. Attribute, name, index of, okay. Yeah, I'm getting description. Summaries coming from there. So all of that is from the description meta tag, all of these. Let's see. Let's do len summary is greater than 100. No? Greater than this, about 70. Alright, we got a few. What do they look like? That isn't even really that much. And M dash. M dash. What is M dash? Okay, I'm going to replace that with a space. That's a weird thing. Come on. Ooh, how many articles do you think that is? 77,000. Let's see if M dash exists anymore. Yep. I forget about the colons. How about this? Let's just do like space colon space. Right? I don't know. Let's just do that, see what happens. 63 maybe? Oh, okay, let's see. Wow, it's a lot of stuff, but yeah, it looks clean. Now I have to do it to the article hub. Let's see, where's summary? And M dash. With a semicolon. First, we're going to replace those with a space, and then we're going to replace those without a colon. There we go. Yeah. The more I work with the actual data that collector collects, the more clean content I can curate. So this is fun. All right, let's see. So I'm gonna write some code for about an hour, all right? And I want this article page to look better, to have more content, to tell me the score. And the last thing that I did was add domain ID to my query. So now in JavaScript, I need to do that too. So let's find our analyzer. No, not our analyzer, our articles. There we go. Right. That's wrong. We need the service for articles. Search, feed ID, domain ID. Come on. There we go. And let's see. Select subject. Search. Get results. There it is. So we need domain ID. Equals. How do we do this again? Oh, interesting. That's really convenient. There we go. So either you'll have a domain ID or it'll be 0, and then you parse int. Straightforward, right? Now I have to execute my vendor resources. Gulp task. Gulpy task. And I'm going to just move that over here. Let's see. All right. So now if I add domain ID, it'll work. Let's find a domain, shall we? Are you kidding me? What is that part of the song? Oh my god, it is part of the song. People walking around, you can hear the creaking of their feet in the wood flooring. It's part of the song. I'm changing it. Let's see. Let's just do this. Let's see. There. Scientific American? How about Wired? Let's press play really quick. Hold on. What? Oh, I had to click search. No? No, I guess I don't have to click search. It doesn't do anything when I click search. Oh, I get errors instead. Query string is not defined. Oh, okay. How do I get query string? What the heck? Anchor? What? What is location.search? Well, let's try it. Yeah. All right, then we'll do there. Hopefully that works. When I click search, there we go. Wired. It's all wired. Isn't that cool? All right. Now I also need to include that in my, where is it? HTML component for articles. Oops, that belongs over here. I like to keep back end on the right and front end on the left. It's just a thing that I do. All right, so render list. Oh well, I think that's important. Domain ID. Let's see here. Parameter request dot parameters dot contains key domain ID request dot parameters. And there we go. All right, now when I refresh this page, it should also show wired things. Yep, it's all wired. And if I do newest first, it's all wired. Page not found. Okay, so let's clean up this page, and then the next thing that I'm gonna have to do is I'm not gonna be able to do it tonight because it's similar to analyze rules system, but it's rules for URLs, and so basically I'll get the title and description for the article, and I'll take the title, description, and URL and use those three things to determine whether or not I should even download the page as an article. I'll keep, well, the thing is like, I don't want to keep every download as an article. I'll have downloads that will have a null article ID because I don't want to keep it as an article. It's not valuable to me. It's just like the score isn't high enough to be viable. So sure, I'll save the I'll have to save, well, no, I won't save the file. I won't save the JSON the HTML DOM JSON file for those pages either. So if it's not viable enough to be an article, it's not even viable enough to be stored on disk. So all it is really is a URL that may have some links on it that I want to collect, but that's about it. And then I won't see pages like this, page not found, page not found. Subscribe, like and then at the same time, like if I go to my domain and then you'll see what is it? Download rules for a domain. And the download rules. All right, let's create a download rule UI. Tab rules, tab downloads. We'll do download rules right next to it. And then the JavaScript would be part of the domain.js. Here we go. Download. Domain. Download. Let's just copy this over. Download rules list. What else do they have? Add and remove. Alright, well then let's just add all this other stuff. Basically the same stuff. It's just different data. New download rule. And that'll go under the, rules, HTML. Download.add.submit. It's not a CSS selector, it's going to be URL match. Or URL regex. And I think I'll do row pad height and text and note, or no, instead of note, faded. Oops. And that'll say something like we can use regular expressions to match with. URL match. And then title match. And description match. I'm going to just call it summary match. Okay, create download rule. To match with when the downloader use regular expressions to match on the URL title or on the web page URL title or summary when downloading web pages via the download section. Not downloading, spidering. All matches will be Use to determine if a URL, if a web page should be what all matches will be used to determine if a web page should not be downloaded, should not be kept as an article, and instead used only to collect URL links from instead. There we go. Ooh. Let's see if this will work. Actually, we need, yeah, we need, where is it? Download. We need render download rules list. Download rule. Submit. Okay, so this will be actually, what? No. Where is it? Analyzer. Okay. Let's see here. Let's add a new folder. Call this one download rules. Yeah, I forgot. Come on. All right, so oops. Download rules. New rule. Download. Add. Okay, all that is correct. I just need to delete this from the old file. Wait a second here. Rule ID. Download dot remove rule ID close rule type. Info and rule type. Oh, I get it. Yeah, we're not gonna have a rule type. We're just gonna have info. All right. So now, in our services, I'm pretty sure for domains we had, yeah, the analyzer rules list. Add and okay, so let's just create a region here. Analyzer rules. Give me a second. There we go. and a new region for download rules. Huh. Uh-oh. What is our rule? Let's create our download rules, SQL stuff. This will be a string URL, string title, and string summary. Download rule. Oops. All right, and yeah, we need download rule here. Let's go into our query models. Just copy our analyzer rule into the download rule. Come on. Title and summary. All right. Now for the next part. SQL, schema, tables, domains, analyzer rules. No, this is going to be our download rules. This will be a URL. Title and summary. That looks good. There we go. Now for our stored procedures. Actually, we need a sequence first. Let's go. It takes forever to do anything. I might be able to finish this tonight. Let's do our stored procedures for domains. We'll just copy over all of our analyzer rule SQL files, rename all of them, and execute each one. Come on, let's go. Did I not copy and paste? There we go. Now it's taking its sweet time. Oh. It's doing it again. It's that weird song. Okay, I'm gonna start at the top again. Hello. There we go. Let's see. Let's go with URL. See what I did there? That's how you dynamically add commas. And look, it's super clean. All right, so yeah, see I have 3 items in my string array here, and some of them might, oh no, I just realized, okay. Wait. There. Wait, what? No. There we go. Info.add. There we go. I guess I gotta do it the long way. Oh well. There, that's better than nothing. Yeah. I think that looks good. What else? Add download. Okay, must provide. Hold on. Add URL. Title. What? And summary. Render download rules list. Okay. Okay. Looks good to me. Anything else? How about the sequences? Did I actually... did I execute it? No. Okay, good. I mean, not good. Anything else? Anything else? Let's just double check our download. Show download rules list. Yes. Create download rule. Submit. Yeah. Okay. URL is download URL. Title and summary. Download. Let's do this. Download rule. Content download. Remove download rule. Do you really want this download rule? Download. This cannot be undone. Rule. Let's do .content -download rule. And let's do .content -rules. rule for removing. All right. Looks good. Looks good. Everything looks good. Okay. Okay. Yep. All right. Let's copy that over. Then we'll go to our download. Okay, that's analyzer rules. This is download rules. Okay, so now this will be download URL, title and summary. Create download rule. All right. Looks good to me. Wow, I might actually get this to work. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. No? There we go. Let's do wired. Download rules. Ooh, come on. Render download rules list. Preview. Okay. It didn't do anything. Oh my god. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Domain. It's under views. Domain model. There we go. Tab download. Content download. Show content download is response. Render download rules list. Looks good to me. Domain. Let's just what? Content download? Is there content download? Right there. Display none. Oh, there it is. Is there anything else I'm missing? No? Okay. This should work. There we go. Oh, that, why? Oh no. Let's see what that looks like. That looks better. But I think it does need to be faded. So let's go into our website less and faded is opacity, I don't know, 0.5. That's what I want to see, but that's like too faded. Maybe it should be more like, I don't know. Oh, that's 0.3? 5.6. No. 0.75. Oh my god. It's gray. It needs to be black. 0.75. That looks good. So where is faded? Huh. Whatever. Faded should be faded. Oh man, what is up with that? Let's check my theme. Is there a faded here? Oh, fonts. What is fonts again? Oh, oh my god. Let's check what fonts is. Yeah, faded. Okay. So that means this should probably be 70%. And this should be whatever. Save. Gotta save my website too. No. No. Oh, it is 0.7, but let's do 0.9. What? Oh my god. Let's do 0.6. No. Let's do note. Yeah. In fact, that's gonna be in here, so let's make this a little blue, shall we? There we go. And then note. Yeah. There we go. Let's see what this looks like now. Please? What's going on? Why is it taking forever? There we go. There we go. It's like a bluish, but guess what? Doesn't look good. So we're gonna change that color to something. I don't know. That looks good. Much better. All right, so URL match, title match, and summary match. Let's see, title match is not found. Oh, invalid sequence download rules. Okay. I thought for sure I already did that. Sequence download rules. Alright, now let's try. And I think something else that I need to do is when you create a download rule, it should go through all of your downloads and all of your articles, delete all articles that match the rule, delete the physical files that belong to those articles. Excuse me. And then just never delete any, never convert any downloads into articles that match. Hey, ooh, look at that. Title not found. Wow, it does work. And if I close it, it works. There you go, title not found. And another thing I want to do is hold on. I'm changing the way that, yeah, see, articles, analyzer, downloads, analyzer, and then I should show something that says analyzer rules. So there's a button up there, and we'll just do this. Call text H5 Analyzer rules, right? Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. Interesting. Let's get rid of the text class. Reload that. It's a little higher than I'd like it to be, so let's make it text. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, and then for the downloads, download rules. Okay. Wrong place. Oh, yeah, and this should actually go there too. After it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Download rules, analyze rules. Very nice. All right. Well, I guess now that I have download rules, it's not fully implemented, but I can view a list of them, create new ones, and delete them. So I think I'll call it a night. It's getting close to my bedtime, actually. Yeah, thanks for watching, and well, I hope you guys have some fun writing code like I am. Or at least I hope you guys learned something tonight. I don't know. I'm not really that descriptive when I'm coding, but I hope you guys enjoyed. The one viewer who watched me for 5 minutes. Eventually people are gonna just start following, so it's whatever. I'm sure it'll take like a year, but I'm just gonna keep doing it every day. Here we go.